Schools are shut down because coronavirus. The coronavirus is very deadly.
Yeah. Um, what do you miss most about school?
I miss all my friends
Yeah.
and my teacher.
You miss your teacher? What do you miss the least about school?
Homework.
Yeah. What else? Is there anything else you don't miss?
Um, um, hmm. One thing.
Okay.
Um, having the having having to do my um daily five in the exact order as the clip charts as the clip is
What's
on
that?
the group. So the daily five is on whatever group you're in,
Mm-hmm.
that and whenever in what and my teacher moves the thing down every day, and and then when you're at the bottom you all the way back up.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like whatever comes first in your list
Yeah.
you do.
Oh, and you just don't like being told what exactly to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like learning online? Yeah, why do you like it?
I get to pet my doggy.
While you're learning? I like that. Do you think that you're learning as much as you would have learned if you were actually at the school?
No,
Why not?
not at all.
Why do you think that?
Because for one, this happened. If this happened during 2021, and then yes, I would have moved school. I'm not, because everywhere would be more advanced.
Yeah. You think in 2021 schools were going to be online anyway? Is that what you're trying to say? Oh, okay. But do you think you're learning just as good like when you're using your
Yeah,
computer and
fine.
what makes you, this is the last question, okay? What makes you really excited to go back to school?
Reasons.
All right. Thank you.